In today's video on B Network, I'm going to show you how to do two things. The first thing you need to do is to connect your B wallet. Yes, you need to do the B wallet connection so that you'll be able to receive your token when they distribute. Just because if you go to this wallet section now, just because you've created your wallet does not mean that your wallet is connected. There's a special way to connect it, and I'm going to show you. Why the second thing I'm going to be showing you is how to accumulate BXP points. BXP point is very important and you need to accumulate it. So these are the two things I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now, as you can see, if I go to this wallet section, I have already created my wallet. But just as I've said, because you've created your wallet does not actually mean that your wallet has been connected. If I go over to settings, look at this settings button at the top of my screen here, and then I should scroll up and go to this account and security here. You can see if you go to this wallet, you see it is showing bind now. That is simply because it is showing that my wallet is not connected. So how do you connect this wallet? If you tap on it, you're going to see that they are telling you to either connect your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. So for this video, we are going to be using MetaMask, but you don't need to create a new wallet. This is what you do here. This is what I'm going to show you. Go back. Once you go back, you come over to this your wallet section here that you've created already, and then you go over to settings. Look at this settings button at the top right of your screen. Once you go over to settings, you go to manage wallet. Then you look for your seed phrase. Yes, you need to copy your B wallet seed phrase. Once you copy it, you go into your MetaMask and you go and import it there. That is what I am going to be doing, and that is what I advise you to do. So for the sake of security, I won't be showing my seed phrase in this video. So I'll go ahead and copy my seed phrase and do the importation now and show you how to do the connection. Now, as you can see, I have successfully imported my seed phrase into MetaMask. So what you need to do first is to verify the wallet address. For this, I'm going to be using this first token. Select Ethereum, which is the first token after I did the importation. Then I'm going to go over to receive. Look at this receive here. And then take note of the address. This address is starting with 0x25 and ending with 314. So what I'm going to go now is to go into my B wallet and check the wallet. All right, so same thing here. I'm going to tap on this Ethereum and you can see the wallet is the same 0x25 and it's ending with 314. So that is basically that. We've completed the first step. The next thing now is to go over to my home section, then tap on this settings. After tapping on settings, you go up once again, go to account and security. Then I'm going to be selecting bind now and I use MetaMask. You can also use Trust Wallet. Just that I just prefer MetaMask for most of my connection. Once that works out successfully, you are going to get this pop-up here where they tell you to do the wallet connection. And as you can see, the website is www.b.com. Connect to this website, blah, blah, blah. What you want to do now is to click on the connect button. And I think they should bring a contract for me to approve. So I'll have to approve that contract before it works out. I don't know if they'll bring it, but then, okay. It has directed me back into my B wallet. So let's watch out for what happens next. So I have tried the connection about 3 different times and it is still telling me bind now. So I don't know what could possibly be wrong, but I'm going to still try it again later and see if it works. And I'm going to be using my Trust wallet. But for the sake of the length of this video, I will not be showing that here. So I will advise you go and try it with your MetaMask. If this your status does not change, a wallet is supposed to be displaying here, but it is still showing bind now. If it does not change, then you can try Trust Wallet. After this video, I'll try it again and then I'm going to update you guys. If you are on my community, people that are on my Telegram or WhatsApp channel, you'll get that update as regarding to this. So we are going to move straight ahead to the next thing. And the next thing here is how to accumulate your BXP points. BXP point is very important. It's as important as the main B token that you are mining. So what you want to do is go over to this your explore section. Look at this explore, the last button at the bottom right of my screen. Once you go over to the explore, you come to this your search bar here. Now for this BXP point, you are going to need the link to the XP point page. And for this link, I'll drop it on my Telegram channel. But for you to be able to get it, it's an easy thing. Once I drop it in the Telegram channel, I'm going to copy a link of my Telegram channel and I'll put it in the description box of this video you're watching on YouTube. So just check the description box or check the comment section. I'm going to pin my comment there. So once you tap it, to take you to my Telegram channel where you can easily copy the link and then you come over here and paste it in. So I'm going to tap on this search bar here and paste in the link. So I've successfully pasted in the link. The next thing I have to go now is to search for it. Once it loads successfully, it will take you to this page. Yes. So this is the BXP point page, and this is where you get to claim your XP. Now, what you want to do as you come to this page, you're going to see this little icon here. Look at this icon. You can see the icon can even move over. So what you want to do is to tap on it. But once you come to this page, you will now have to link it to your B page. Yes, just as you did your wallet connection, you need to also link this page to your B account. So you can see, you select that first option and then you now tap on authorize so that it is going to connect to my official B account. So once that is done, your page is going to be back to this again. Now, what you want to do is to click on, look at this little check-in button here, this check-in below your screen here. So you tap on the check-in button and these are the tasks you need to do to get your XP. So I'm going to, let me move this up. I don't know why this is still showing me to log in. I thought I just logged in now. I don't know why this page is like this, but let's log in again and see. All right, I have successfully been logged in, and it's no longer showing me to log in again. So these are the tasks here. These are basically what you need to do to claim XP points. Now I'm gonna click on this start here. This one now, this is check-in. So once you tap on it to check in, you get 100 XP points. Basically, I'm just opening this page for the first time and for the sake of this video. So I will not be completing all of these tasks here, so that I don't want this video to be too lengthy. But you basically know what you need to do now. You just keep accumulating this point by completing this task. And you could also refer. Yes. Look at this is a referral here. And yeah, this is my referral link you're going to be using, by the way. So you could also check your rank. If I go over to this ranking section here, you are going to see the people that are ranking on the leaderboard. So look at this is J Spresh. Okay, I know this logo. This logo is for blockchain sage. So that is it. This is the second person, this is third person, and basically like that, like that. So that is that about that. You're going to see where you're ranking. As you can see, I'm currently ranking at 13,722, and that's because I'm just opening this page. But in a matter of few days, I think I should be able to get up to this place, maybe third or second or even first. But then that is basically that. So that is all there is to it as regarding to this. If there is any question, drop them in the comment section. I'm going to go through the questions and I'll use it to make another video so that I can answer you guys. And once I can answer, I'll also be answering you in the comment section. So make sure to drop questions there. I'm still going to be making videos as regarding to the BKYC, Ruby KYC, Sidra KYC, and others. And just in case if you want to sell your Sidra or you want to buy Sidra coins, you can hit me up in the DM. All you need to do is to check the description box of this video. My link is also going to be there. My WhatsApp contact is public on my Telegram channel. So once you come to my Telegram channel, you check the pin post, you see my WhatsApp contact there. You can message me if you want to buy or sell any coins. And if you want to learn anything at all, you want to learn any concept in the Web3 space, you want to learn how to do wallet connection, how to create wallet, this and that, you can send me a DM. Now, another thing you need to do again is to come over here, go to your X, search for Toniostech on X and follow me there because I do drop updates there. For instance, I've been sick for how many days now? That is why I have not made videos regarding to this B. But I have been dropping updates consistently on my X channel. So this is my X profile here. Go and search for Toniostech on X. Follow me here because this is why I drop most of my updates, even before I make videos on them.